Hey guys, it's Dog Loves AJ here, back with another video. Sorry for your background noises. I'm on the call with one of my best friends, so you can say hi if you want. Hi. She's currently decorating she's decorating her Christmas tree. So today I'm going to be showing you how to be a non-member fox or like a non-member. Sorry for my dog. She's crying for some reason. Like I already fed her and all that, but she's still crying. And she makes weird noises. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to that. Oh, no. Stop crying, please. I'm just trying to make a video. So you're just going to want to go here, and you're going to want to. Oh, first thing I'm going to follow them. Stop crying. No one wants you to cry. Stop crying. I have no way. You're okay. You're okay. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to first trade them a masterpiece that you have made. So it could be any masterpiece, but it has to be from you, or you can get your friend to do this as well. So you're gonna want to, right here, you're gonna want to do that, and you're gonna want to click on their name and go to their den. Oh wait, let me unlock my den. Hold on. You can cancel the trade; it'll still be there. Okay, so then you want to click on it. You're gonna want to go to their den. So once you go to their den, you're gonna want to click next, and choose now. So once you have done that, you just wait here and then get the other person or yourself to lock you out of your den, and then you're just gonna want to click this little button right here. Click that animal. Press no thanks, and there you go. You are now a non-member animal. But the thing is, when you log out, you're gonna have to redo it. But you can refresh and go somewhere, but you just can't log out, because when you log out, you're gonna have to do it all over again, which really sucks. But yeah, that's the hack. Oh, what happened? Okay, that's the hack. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.